What up, guys? Back with a video, and I want to talk to you about something that that is very important. It could be kind of detrimental for a lot of content creators, and that is the impending demise of the impending demise of TikTok. All right, so TikTok is going away. They have been banned. Now they have until January 19th to sell TikTok back to probably more than likely another American investor before a nationwide ban is put out on the 19th. Now they're doing this strategically one day before President Trump takes office officially, and I'm pretty sure they're going to put means in there to where that decision cannot be replaced. Now, Trump did say that he is going to push for them to put this off and not have this happen, but more than likely is going to happen. So what does that mean for creators? Well, honestly, guys, I think you have to really be on the up and up with the news, right? There's a lot of content creators, motorcycle content creators that actually generate a lot of revenue, right? They generate a lot of revenue through TikTok, or they may have got noticed and started from TikTok, and then it branched out to Instagram, to YouTube, etc. For a lot of creators. So this is a big blow for a lot of people who actually do rely on TikTok revenue and presence to be able to make extra income, right? So that is obviously a big, huge thing. Now, if people want to put it in more of a perspective, I would say think about if they told you have until January 19th until Instagram is deactivated and Facebook is deactivated. You'd be like, holy crap, what? So that's what's happening, right? That's what's happening. Now, personally, I don't have any real investment in TikTok. I do have a TikTok page I created eventually, like years ago, a couple of years ago maybe, and I didn't really dedicate anything to the page. Just kind of created it, and I've been posting up recently like more motorcycle videos, which have gotten some traction, but not enough for me to like hone in on it and focus in on it, because I kind of felt like I was on the back end of the trail when it comes to motorcycle content and TikTok. I was kind of late. So I didn't even know it was a trend, honestly, and I still kind of don't understand it. But I kind of do, because Instagram is all about reels and shorts, and so I understand why it's important now. But I focus more on Instagram and YouTube to try to get that momentum started. So, but there's a lot of people, like I said, on TikTok that are going to lose out pretty big, because in the motorcycle space, you will notice very quickly that there are different types of creators, right? There are different types of creators. You have people that like more long form content. So they're going to go to YouTube, right? They're going to go to YouTube and get to post up their long form content. We're talking about videos ranging from, 7 to 30 minutes plus. It just depends. That's long form. Now, YouTube has gotten a little better with their reels. They've extended it to 3 minutes for people to get that little extra in there because they're so popular. Again, short form content seems to be extremely popular among motorcycle enthusiasts. So places like TikTok and Instagram are going to be where you want to put your content, as well as YouTube Shorts. I've seen motorcycle content creators that literally only post shorts on their YouTube. It's crazy. They don't post long form content, right? And there are advantages and disadvantages to that. I'll get into it in another video. But again, the TikTok shutting down shouldn't worry people so much to where they feel like the world is ending. But at the same time, you do have those creators out there. You got to think about these creators out there that are already established and big. The IMKs, the Fastlane Ds, SK Rafas, all these guys who have a big presence on TikTok, a big presence on Instagram, etc. You take away one of those platforms, you're going to take away a big chunk of their revenue that they're already generating. So for them, I would feel, a certain type of way, but at the same time, in this space, you are always subject to change by the company. Whether it's YouTube, they've done it year in, year out, they change the algorithm. Content creators get upset with the ads. They've had ad debacles before. They've done things that favor them and not necessarily the creator. So you got to really just be in tune with the space and know that something happens, you're going to have the short end of the stick. That's just the way it is. So let me know how you guys feel. Is it going to affect you negatively? Does it not affect you at all in terms of what you're trying to do? What exactly is your aim? What's your aim with these platforms, and how is it going to help you grow to meet your requirements or your goal for that channel? I'm very, very interested. Again, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.